What's going on, Nature Family? Mike here, back with another adventure. Today we packed up on this beautiful day and we're gonna head out to White Oak Falls. This is a place I've never been to, so I'm excited to see what it has to offer, and I'm ready to take you guys along with me. So if you're ready, we'll turn you around and I will give you a view of just where we're headed. So let's do this, guys. Let's find some waterfalls. Well, Naturing Family, we just parked across the street here and took this access gate. Let me zoom back out here, and this is the start to the trail. Again, looks like a little access road. I mean, looks so far, it's gonna be a easy hike. So we just gotta get to the White Run Creek and let's see what it has to offer. Again, we have beautiful temperature today. Just hit 60 after a cold day yesterday. As you can see, beautiful blue skies. Has all the makings to be a great day for a hike. But we're gonna start this trail here and let's see where it takes us, guys. Well, we're making our way down a road, passing some nice rhododendron bushes. Got the trees actually starting to bloom now. And, well, guys, wouldn't you know, wouldn't be a location if we didn't have our friend QT here. And yeah, that looks legit. As you can see, it has his logo, everything there, the date. Signature alien head. Unfortunately, we didn't beat QT here, guys. But we're gonna make our way down this section of the access road and get down to this creek. I think I could hear it slightly roaring here on my left. But we're gonna follow this trail downstream and see where this brings us. Again, this is my first time here. I found this on Facebook. Somebody posted a picture of it and I was curious to which fall it was, and I've never heard of it. So I asked for directions and they were kindly given. But as you can see, we're right here above the creek. The creek's down below. I'll zoom in for you. Yeah, you can see the water roaring down there a little bit. But we're gonna carry on. And just see where we could get lower to this creek. Again, look at the sky. Beautiful clouds. Not too hot. Perfect day to get out, guys. But yeah, this is an unbelievably easy hike. No rough terrain at all, and see if I can get a view of the reservoir. Yeah, I can't really get a good shot with all the branches in the way, but it's going to be right in this area here. But we're gonna loop up and explore a little more of this trail. Well guys, we're back. I see a nice side trail here that looks like it's gonna cut us right next to the waterfall. So it's exciting. I mean, look at this little trail that we're coming through. Again, more of the rhododendrons. So nice of a little spot here. Wow. This nice little clearing. Oh yeah, you could hear the water down here. Oh wow, guys. Wow. Look at that. Little cave area. Nice, beautiful creek. Wow, let's get down there and get some views, guys. Well, nature and family came from all the way up top here and just take a look at this gorgeous little spot. Guys, take a look at this amazing spot here. Look at these little falls. This is incredible, guys. Look how clean that water is coming down that slide. Just cutting right through here in the bedrock. And just look up just a little bit. Wow, more beautiful falls here. And this is my type of area, guys. Absolutely love this. Beautiful slide. Wow, guys, just incredible view right here. Wow. Let's get up and take a look at this next set of falls. And again, look, we're right underneath this little rock cliff here. We come to another little fall and slide combo. Let me get down here and wow. Just take a look at this flow, guys. Then we're gonna keep climbing up. Wow, just beautiful fall after beautiful fall. Amazing. Look at this. Has a nice pool at the bottom. This one's beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is just a pan around and gets you looking downstream. Wow, amazing. Let's see if we can get another shot zoomed in here. Yeah, just look how beautiful that is. Incredible. Well guys, since I already got my feet wet, might as well take you out and enjoy the whole view. Okay, look how beautiful and clear that water is. Absolutely amazing. That's quite deep there too. And if you notice too, the two rungs, they're made of old logs. So I'm assuming this might be an old logging river or a creek. But yeah, that's gorgeous, guys. Had to get in and show you that. And the water isn't bad. That's looking down. Unbelievable. But yeah, I'll walk over. If you zoom in, you can see the timber there. It's pretty awesome. Well, yeah, we're gonna gather up the backpack and head back up and see if we can find some more falls. Well, Naturing family, what do you think about this so far, huh? Wow. Not even a few minutes off the trail and already getting these beautiful views for you. Wow, this is incredible, guys. And again, all these little falls, another little fall. Impressive so far. But we have a lot more creek to see, plus a dam down the other way, so awesome spot, guys. Awesome spot. So looking down, that's what we just climbed out of. And I'll give you a view just on top of that waterfall we were just at and show you the two tiers. Yeah, there's the one that we were just at the bottom. And there's the second tier. And just look how clear that water is, guys. Truly amazing. But we have a lot of stream left to go. And we got a lot more to discover. But just check this scenery out, guys. Beautiful forest. Side to side, loaded with rhododendrons. Some oak trees. But wow, this is a trail you really don't have to work for. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. I hope the camera didn't pick that up. But wow, I think we just found the main waterfall. And I'm not going to give you a view yet. I'm just going to give you another view down here of the creek and the surrounding area in this deep blue pool. Another awesome swimming hole. Check this little hole out, guys. Are you kidding me? Absolutely crystal clear water. Right down to the bottom here. Wow. Look at that water, guys. And it's being fed by this beautiful slide. It's all tangled up in these trees, but we'll try to get around there too. I think I'm running out of words, guys. This is impressive. I'm actually gonna pull my camera out here and see if we get some underwater shots. So stay tuned, guys. Look at this nature, fam. Out here in the water, just enjoying. Beautiful day. Crystal clear. Can't get any better than this. I mean, future swimming spot? I think so again, guys. Amazing, amazing spots. Absolutely incredible. This is a winner for sure, guys, in my book. Absolutely amazing. I got some underwater footage too that I'm gonna play. So I hope you guys enjoy that. You get to see how really clear this spot is, but incredible, guys. I'll turn it around and give you another shot. So here's another shot looking above this beautiful pool. And I mean, I don't think I've ever seen a clearer pool than that. And that's not even the main attraction, guys. That's not even the main attraction. This place is amazing. But we're gonna post this down. We're gonna get you right nice and close and get ready for this, guys, because my mind is actually blown here today. This place is truly amazing. And here's that slide right above that pool I was at. That goes right down where those two trees are down there. That's the pool. But are you ready for this, guys? We're making our way down. This is incredible, guys. This is, wow. Here we go. Let me get a good spot for it. Wow. Check this one out, guys. Absolute masterpiece here. Wow. This false class act, guys. Oh, wow. Just look at this. Wow. I have my GoPro on me. I might bring that up the top. And look at this, guys. I don't even know what to show you first. I'm so excited here. Wow. This is massive too, guys. But let's just take a look a little further upstream because this, oh. I don't know, guys. This is insane. I'm so happy I got my feet wet already. Because we're going in. Oh. Guys, we are completely in water. Oh, knee high here. Wow, another gorgeous fall. This area is beautiful. Oh my goodness, another giant waterfall. Wow. I don't know, guys. We're just gonna keep following them. Just look at this view. Right in mid-tier. How beautiful is this, guys? Wow. This is so many waterfalls. And another shot here. Oh my God. So beautiful. Absolutely incredible. So, Naturing family, if you've been a fan of my channel now, you know I have to get to the top of the waterfalls. And that's exactly where we are today. I'm right up on top, looking over the two main falls where I just was. And it's just absolutely gorgeous up here, guys. Temperature, beautiful 60. And again, here's the view. We have one tributary straight ahead, and we have one right here where they converge and go downstream. But here's the first fall that we came to. And again, guys, this is amazing up here. Absolutely amazing. That's just a side view. It's looking right over. So awesome, guys. And again, look at, I mean, we are right there at the flow. Amazing spot here in Archbald, guys. This has to be the most hidden gem I've ever seen. I've never even heard of anybody mention this spot before. Just truly amazing here up top. And here's looking over the second fall. Just wow. Wow, we're gonna have to definitely do a lot more exploring here, guys. This will be part one. Absolutely incredible. And again, this is, I'm guessing, a second part of the stream, or a second stream that I don't have the name of. But this is another, looks like a gorgeous section. I already see some streams and some little falls up this way. It looks like there's a trail right up on the left side here. But again, look at, just beautiful. So here I am at the base of the falls, and that is the second stream that converges with the one right above to make these falls. And wow, guys, just absolutely wow. This is incredible. You can walk right up and get right next to them. So beautiful. Well, guys, look at this, coming live from the middle of the waterfall here, getting splashed, just enjoying it out here, loving these falls, absolutely incredible. We're gonna go check out the other one and then make our way back down. We have a dam to see. Wow, guys, what a great adventure day today. So glad we got this fall. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are, you liking my stuff, just go ahead and hit that sub button somewhere below here. Join the Naturing family. We're almost at 700 strong, and let's get that 1,000, guys. But let's make it down to the other fall. So that was set of falls number 2. I'm gonna go back down and I'll give you a shot of the first set of falls. And again, look at that pool here. And just look how massive that is. Just spilling over. Incredible, guys. This fall is a beauty. I honestly can't believe I never found this before. But look at these little pools coming downstream. I'm not gonna leave here. This is just chocked full of views. Well, guys, as I was climbing over to get to the top of the fall here, notice we got some bones in the water here. Hopefully they're animal. But yeah, have some bones in the creek. But such an amazing spot, guys. Another shot looking downstream. This is incredible. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'm gonna end it right here. We saw 2 incredible waterfalls, a bunch of slides, a really deep pool. I got some action on my DJI action camera, so that's gonna be great for some underwater shots. Next time, we're gonna go upstream more and go up at the top and see what we can discover, but all in all, guys, unbelievable. And we do have a reservoir to check out. That's down there too. That's beautiful. So we'll get that on our next run. Maybe I'll give you a shot of it just because I mentioned it, but yeah, this place is epic. So I just want to thank you guys so much for coming along, joining me on this adventure. And again, if you're new here, you made it this far, you got to see beautiful waterfalls, lots of great water. So consider subscribing, link down here. Go ahead and check out some of my older content. I do have a Facebook and Instagram, which are in the bottom of my description of every video. Check those out. I do post a lot more pictures there, and I interact with everybody over there also. So go ahead, hit me up over there. Check me out on Instagram, subscribe here. And again, Nature and Family, thank you so much for coming along with me today. I had a blast. Again, I'm soaking wet here from my feet to my knees. Absolutely had a great time by the smile on my face. I'm gonna go walking through it some more. So again, thanks so much. You guys are the greatest fans. It's Mike from Out Nature, and keep it real, guys.